トラベラーギャルの授業の様子。
Today is all about I supposed to play or use YouTube but I couldn't because our lesson today was your 3 favorite music.
ウォーター
Japanese?
そう、テイラ
Taylor.
ー。
Oh.
ウォーター。
Ah, water.
エスプレス。サブリナ。
Okay.
アパツ。
Alpha 2. I think she wants to dance. Alpha 2. Okay, so you need to choose one.
アパツ。
Okay, so I think all of us needs to. Wait, I'll check this. We used to dance this. Okay, so you need to dance, okay? So where is the opposite of the QQ English use? We dance this all the time. Zumba, right? You need to dance. We're not going to sing because you are a good dancer. Now let's see.